Life can be challenging and unpredictable. We all face obstacles, setbacks, and failures, but it's how we respond to them that defines us. Are you the type of person who says, "Why me?" when faced with adversity? Or do you say, "Try me"? It's time to adopt the lion mentality and become the king of your life. In this video, we'll explore how to develop the mindset of a winner, of a beast, of a lion. Don't say "why me," say "try me." When life puts you in tough situations, it's easy to feel sorry for yourself and wonder why you're the one going through it. However, this type of thinking is counterproductive and only leads to more negativity. Instead, adopt the "try me" attitude. Believe that you're strong enough to overcome any challenge and that every obstacle is an opportunity to grow and become better. Do today what they won't, so tomorrow we accomplish what they can't. If you want to achieve greatness in life, you can't do what everyone else is doing. You need to be willing to do what others won't. This means putting in the extra work, sacrificing your free time, and pushing yourself out of your comfort zone. When you do this consistently, you'll develop skills and qualities that others don't have, which will give you an edge in the long run. It's not over until I win. The road to success is never easy, and there will be times when you feel like giving up. However, if you want to have the lion mentality, you need to adopt a never-give-up attitude. Believe that you can achieve your goals, no matter how difficult they may seem. Even if you fail along the way, remember that it's not over until you win. Failure and fear should be your best friends. Most people fear failure and avoid it at all costs. However, if you want to develop the lion mentality, you need to embrace failure and see it as an opportunity to learn and grow. Similarly, fear should be your friend, not your enemy. Use it as a motivator to push yourself harder and overcome obstacles that you may otherwise avoid. Develop the mindset of a winner. To become a lion, you need to develop the mindset of a winner. This means believing in yourself, your abilities, and your potential. Don't let negative self-talk hold you back. Instead, focus on your strengths and find ways to improve your weaknesses. Most of the problems you have are mindset-related, so make sure to grow it. Productivity never comes by accident. If you want to achieve your goals, you need to be committed and consistent. Productivity doesn't come by accident. It's the result of hard work and dedication. Set goals for yourself, create a plan, and execute it with determination. Don't let distractions or excuses hold you back. I don't fail. I win or I learn. Finally, remember that failure is not the end. It's a lesson that can help you improve and become better next time. Embrace failure, learn from it, and use it as fuel to your fire. Believe that you can achieve your goals, and that every setback is just a stepping stone to success. In conclusion, the lion mentality is all about developing the mindset of a winner. Believe in yourself, embrace failure and fear, and commit to your goals with determination and consistency. Remember that every obstacle is an opportunity to grow and become better. With the lion mentality, you can become the king of your life and achieve greatness in any area you choose. So when faced with challenges, remember these words. Try me. Rise up, be a lion, and tackle life head-on. With the right mindset and attitude, you can overcome any obstacle and achieve the success you desire. Every family has a person who breaks the chain of poverty. I hope you will be that person. So go out there and roar like a lion. Incorporate these tips into your life and you will see that you will soon become an alpha. And don't forget to show some love by hitting the like and subscribe button. See you soon.